A Mango Lassi is a decadent breakfast smoothie, but it can also be an amazing dessert drink. I'll show you my healthy take on this Indian classic. I'm Nora Day. This tropical drink isn't just an amazing milkshake taste, it's also quite nutritious. I make mine dairy-free. The traditional Mango Lassi has a lot of dairy, so let's make my healthy version. I'm using hazelnut milk. Hazelnut milk is heart healthy and it has those healthy fats of monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. I'm also using, of course, my mangoes. Mangoes are high in potassium and fiber. Coming into the yogurt is a main part of the Mango Lassi, and I'm using almond milk yogurt. Again, a non-dairy version of yogurt. To add some extra sweetness, I'm adding 2 Mango dates. I love my natural dates in my Mango Lassi, and also my last ingredient is cardamom. Cardamom is very aromatic, and it gives that exotic flavor to the Mango Lassi. Let's make this Mango Lassi right now. Adding my hazelnut milk. I like to put the milk or the liquid in first to the blender. My next ingredient is my mango. Love mangoes. Mangoes are such a wonderful fruit. And I'm also adding my dairy-free yogurt. Ooh, this is really good stuff. Look at that. And I have my 2 dates. And this beautiful fragrant cardamom. Let's blend this up and make this nice refreshing drink. I blend this for about 30 seconds to get everything blended nicely together. Ooh. Let's take a little sip. Oh. It tastes just like the original Mango Lassi. I hope you make this healthy version at home. I'm Nora Day.